Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to check your Cash App card shipping status so you can track exactly when your new personalized card will arrive in your mailbox. While Cash App doesn't provide a traditional tracking number for standard shipping, there is a built-in status tracker in the app that gives you real-time updates on your card's journey from the printer to your door. To see where your card is, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on the card icon located at the bottom left of the home screen. This will bring up an image of your Cash App card, and right below that, you will see your current shipping status. If it says card pending, it means your design is still being reviewed or printed. Once it says card shipped, it means the card has officially left the facility and is in the hands of the postal service. You will also see a helpful counter that tells you exactly how many days it has been since the card was mailed, which helps you manage your expectation during the typical 7 to 10 business day delivery window. If you are in a rush and need to use your balance before the physical mail arrives, you don't actually have to wait. On the same card tab, you can often tap on the image of your card to reveal the virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You can add these details to Apple Pay or Google Pay immediately, so you can tap and pay at stores while your physical card is still in transit. If 14 full business days have passed and your status still says ship, but your mailbox is empty, you should tap on your profile icon on the top right, scroll down to support, and select Cash Card to report the card as missing. From there, the support team can verify your address and issue a replacement card at no extra cost to you.